Hey there! Let me introduce you to Samwon FA, the company that truly deserves the title of the first. We've been leading smart factory solutions since 1979. We were the first in Korea to introduce PLCs and developed the IO-Link wiring reduction system before anyone else. We also created the first toll gate payment system, making highways faster. And we pioneered countless firsts in card payment technology. Building on these firsts, we're now expanding globally, and our journey of innovation is far from over. We are Samwon FA, and just like our name, we're constantly driving innovation in the smart factory. Using cutting-edge technologies like digital twin, AI, and big data, we're optimizing manufacturing processes. We integrate and manage various systems and provide real-time control of equipment. And we design solutions so robots and conveyor can move quickly and accurately. We have a 365-day response system and customized total solutions. It's something we're really proud of. Samwon FA's technology also shines in the smart city sector. From tiny but essential vehicle parts powered by AI, we're helping to change the way we live. With just one card, you can use buses across the country, and thanks to our products, all buses operate more smartly. We develop our products with the environment in mind, considering the impact of everything we use daily. Wherever you are, you'll know exactly when your bus is arriving, and we're creating an environment where everyone, including those with mobility challenges, can easily use public transportation. And now, you don't even need to tap a card in the metro. On top of that, we're analyzing traffic information in real time to prevent accidents and improve efficiency. We use AI to analyze traffic patterns to adjust signal systems for efficiency and provide critical information about traffic conditions, such as sudden stops or falling objects. This helps us build a safe, user-centered transportation system. Our ultimate goal is to make cities around the world more accessible and more reliable. Honestly, what we're most proud of is our relentless spirit of innovation. We're always listening to our customers' needs and boldly taking on new technology challenges. Ready to create a smarter tomorrow with Samwon FA? Let's bring the future to life with FA.